what I'm going to do today is some basic symbols, and I'm talking real basic, nothing special. So we'll start by creating a symbol, and the easiest way to do that is I'm just going to grab a rectangle, and I'm going to draw a rectangle out on my stage. That is not a symbol, that is a rectangle. But we're going to convert it to a symbol, and you can do it a couple different ways. You can go modify, convert to symbol, or you can use Command or Control Y. I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to name this my rec. I'm very clever that way. Okay. So what this does is it creates a symbol over here in the symbol library. If we double click this icon or double click the piece on the stage, we will open up the symbol's very own personal timeline. Anyway, so we're going to do something very simple. So I'm going to click it, and I am going to set a keyframe for the color. And I'm going to drag my playhead forward 1 second. And because I have the auto transition and the automatic keyframing clicked, when I change the color, which I'll make red, that's some serious ass red, I've now got a very red rectangle for my rec. Okay. Now, I'm going to jump back to the stage, and you can see there's one of the symbols. Let's get a couple more. So I drag over another one. You know what the cool part about symbols is you can change the size. So I'm going to bring that down, put it there, and I'll grab another one, which is also going to be gigundo, and I'll make that kind of tall and skinny. So we'll just go grab it, resize it, tall and skinny. Now each one of those I put on, it's a new symbol, and it gave it a new name. So the first one's my rec, then my rec 2, which is the little one, and then my rec 3, which is the tall skinny one. So if we go in the browser, Command return, and they all turned red. That's pretty cool. But let's go a little farther than that. Let's go into the symbol, my rec, double click. Now everything I do in this symbol will affect those other symbols that I dragged down because they're all based on the same thing. So I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to take off the autoplay. And once I take the autoplay off, watch what happens. Nothing. Because the playheads don't go anywhere for the time. So I've done that, and I'm going to jump over to the stage, and I'm going to make a button that's only going to make one of these play. So I'm going to grab the ellipse tool, because everything else is square, so I make me a nice round button, so you know it's a button. Okay. And what do I want this button to do? Well, I'm going to program it to play the little one here, which is my rec 2. So I'll go over here into the coding actions, and I want this to be clickable, so I'll make it click. And what do I want to do? Well, I want it to play something, and I want it to play, and I want it to be in the stage. Oh, I can pick any one of my 3 symbols. So I said it was the little guy, which I think was 2. Double click that, and it is now set to play. So let's see if it works. Command return, click. Ooh, right? So that's pretty cool. By the way, I would click this and change the cursor over here where it says auto, make it the finger, personal choice. And now we're going to do nothing else because I think I'm done. So I'm done.